Well, so far I got both doors off of the 75, and I've got the passenger side door stripped down, ready to be cleaned up. I'm gonna take a pressure washer to it and clean out everything. The good thing about these doors are they are the same code as what color we're painting the car. It's the E7 burnished red metallic. So and these having the factory paint on them, I don't have to spend as much time stripping all the old paint off, worrying about bondo not sticking, finding rust holes, all that other stuff. So I think this will be a really good thing. I did my research and looked, and the Plymouth Duster doors from 1970 to 76 are exactly the same. Well, I won't say exactly. The only difference I've seen is on the 75 doors with the mirror mounts, this is exactly flat. On the 74, on both sides, there's a little hump in that first hole in the front. I guess it's to help locate that mirror to keep it centered. But the owner of the car said she asked some guys on a Mopar Facebook page, and they said that some doors have the bump, some doors don't. So that's the only difference I'm seeing so far. But these doors look really good and solid. No damage. Just very light surface rust on it. I mean, it's very minimal. I mean, this right here is the worst part I'm seeing on the whole car, really. I mean, the whole door. Everything else is really good. So, I'm going to strip the other door apart and work on the door hinges tonight. I'm going to rebuild the door hinges, put new pins and bushings in them, and get these doors hung, test fit them, and then I'm going to leave the hinges on the car, take the doors off, and do the body work, whatever I got to do. I'm going to edge in the doors. And, I haven't quite decided yet if I want to paint the doors and the hood and the trunk off the car, or put them on there and try to work my way around it. What I may do is just edge in the A-post first, get the base coat on there, and then put some clear base coat up on the front part just to protect it. Then hang the doors, get them adjusted, and paint the car, and then get the good clear coat and everything on there after that. I think that might be the safest way. That way I don't worry about chipping and scratching paint, because the paint's really soft for a while after you first paint them. Especially the weather's going to start cooling off here in the next 2 or 3 weeks. They're saying the lows at night are supposed to get down to 40, 41 degrees. So then I'll have to revert to working the days again, which will be good because I get my sleep pattern right. And the highs I think are supposed to be 70 to 75 degrees during the day. So that'll be good. There's my update for tonight.